Does the selvage of your outfit look tacky, rough, or frail after trimming and sewing? Then come closer because this tutorial is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Expert Empire. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the easy way or easy hack to achieve a very smooth and secured selvage. All right, trust me, this method is 100% sure. If you try this out, you will no longer use scissors to trim off the edges or the selvage of your dress. Okay, so that being said, I recommend that every fashion designer or tailor should have a soldering iron. All right, there is so much that you can do with a soldering iron. Okay, so this is one of the things that you can do with a soldering iron as a fashion designer. So let's get started. You can see my fabric already. This is a beaded stone lace. All right, and I want to trim off the edges. Okay, I want to trim off the selvage to have that neat look. So I already have my soldering iron plugged and it is hot already, so I'll just start trimming off. You can see, just gently, and take your time while you do this. You don't want to rip off the selvage, all right, and you want it to look neat as possible. So you just go ahead and keep tracing out depending on the pattern you have on your fabric. Okay, just follow the patterns and then use your soldering iron to trace. Okay, so I'm just literally tracing out the pattern designs, okay, on the fabric. Just be careful while you work with this, not to burn yourself or trim off more than you're supposed to trim off from the selvage. Okay, so just do it gently like this. Just watch the way I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm just gently placing the tip. Okay, you don't need too much. Just make sure the soldering iron is very hot or moderately hot depending on the fabric you're working with. Okay, so this is kind of light, so it's not too hot, it's moderately hot, and I'm just going around. I'm just going around with it like so, just trimming out the design. Okay, so you can see I'm done. Right now I'm done trimming off the selvage, and you can see how neat it looks. Can you see? It is so neat, beautiful, and there's no frill at all. The edges are secured. Okay, the selvage is looking very neat. Okay, so try this out and let me know how it turns out in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and share with your fellow sewing family and friends. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload any video. I will see you in my next one. Have a nice day. Bye.